Geedle rotary cheese grater with 3 blades. I used to dread prepping ingredients for taco night. My old box grater was slow, messy, and I always worried about my knuckles. Then I found the Geedle rotary cheese grater. Its hand crank design makes shredding a block of cheese incredibly fast, literally 12 times faster than by hand. You can get perfectly shredded cheese for your salads or potatoes in seconds. Plus, it comes with 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades, so you can easily switch from a fine grate for Parmesan to a coarse shred for zucchini or even sliced vegetables. Cleanup is simple since all the parts are easy to wash. Meal prep feels less like a chore and more efficient. Having fresh ingredients without the usual effort just makes cooking more enjoyable. Sharpal 191H Pocket Knife and Scissor Sharpener. You know that feeling when your kitchen knife just crushes a tomato instead of slicing it cleanly? Or when your scissors chew up wrapping paper? The Sharpal 191H is designed to fix that right on your countertop. Its 3-stage system really gets the job done. The tungsten carbide slot first repairs and reshapes a dull edge. Then the ceramic rods hone it to a perfect finish. It even has a dedicated sharpener for your scissors, and the suction base is incredibly strong. You just press the switch and it locks securely to any flat surface, giving you total stability for safe, one-handed use. Imagine effortless, clean cuts every single time you cook. It brings that factory sharp edge back to all your blades. Ototo Grocula Garlic Crusher and Peeler. Dealing with garlic? Sticky peels? The strong odor clinging to your fingers? The Ototo Grocula Garlic Crusher Peeler offers a fun, easy solution. This little gadget, shaped like a playful Dracula, is surprisingly effective. First, the peeler. Just pop in a clove, roll it, and the skin's gone. Then the crusher. Its textured interior crushes garlic perfectly with minimal effort. You get maximum flavor, less mess, and no smelly hands. Imagine quicker meal prep, more flavor from freshly crushed garlic. And this quirky design brightens your kitchen. Grocula makes crushing and peeling garlic simple and adds fun. A handy little tool for anyone who cooks. 3-in-1 Stainless Steel Watermelon Fork Slicer. Ever struggle cutting watermelon, ending up with messy, uneven pieces? I found a solution. This 3-in-1 Watermelon Fork Slicer. It's a stainless steel gadget that combines a fork, slicer, and even a scoop. You can effortlessly slice through a watermelon with its sharp, durable blade. No more struggling with a knife. Then use the fork to serve neat pieces. It's built strong and accurate. Imagine quickly preparing watermelon for a picnic. This tool lets you slice, scoop, and serve with ease. You will have perfect watermelon portions every time, minimizing waste and maximizing enjoyment. It's a simple way to make fruit prep much smoother. iMarku 7-inch ultra-sharp Santoku chef knife. Ever struggle to chop veggies evenly? The iMarku 7-inch Santoku knife offers a solution. This isn't just a knife, it's precision in your hands. The Japanese stainless steel blade resists rust, offering long-term durability. Its sharpness lets you glide through tomatoes or onions. You get consistent cuts every time, making prep work faster and easier. The ergonomic handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, preventing slips and fatigue, even when chopping mountains of food. Imagine effortlessly preparing perfect stir-fries or salads. With the iMarku, cooking transforms from a chore into a joy. Better cuts equal better meals consistently. Hamburger patty maker and burger press. Struggling with burger night? Uneven patties are a pain. Meet the Hamburger Patty Maker Burger Press. This tool will solve your burger blues. It's crafted from non-stick aluminum, so your patties release easily and cleanup is a breeze. You get consistently sized patties, perfect for even cooking. The sturdy handle makes pressing effortless, even with thick mixtures. Imagine perfectly uniform burgers every single time. No more unevenly cooked centers. This press helps you create stuffed burgers easily too. Impress your friends with restaurant-quality results at home. This gives you perfect patties and faster cooking. Enjoy evenly cooked, delicious burgers with less effort. Potato slicer. Struggling to make consistent fries? The Twisted Potato Slicer offers a simple solution. Its stainless steel blade and hand crank lets you easily create spiral potatoes. You get uniform slices every time, unlike with a knife. It's not just for potatoes either. Try it on cucumbers, carrots, even sweet potatoes. The food-grade materials ensure safety, and it's stable on any flat surface. Imagine perfectly curly fries without the fuss. More even cooking, better taste. This slicer turns ordinary veggies into fun, attractive snacks effortlessly. Enjoy better, homemade snacks with less work, more reliably. It's about adding joy to simple snacks. Ecolution Micro Pop Microwave Popcorn Popper. Is your microwave popcorn always a greasy, chemical-filled disappointment? The Ecolution Micro Pop solves that. It's a healthier, tastier way to enjoy popcorn at home. This popper uses temperature-safe glass and needs no oil. You get fluffy popcorn every time without the mess. The lid measures kernels, so you get just the right amount for a snack. Plus, you can melt butter right on top. Imagine cozy movie nights with perfect popcorn, customized just how you like it. Cleanup is easy because it's dishwasher safe. The Micro Pop makes healthy snacking simple, quick, and fun. You'll enjoy gourmet popcorn without any unhealthy additives. Keystone 2-Slice Touchscreen Toaster. I used to hate guessing with my old toaster's dial, never knowing if I'd get burnt or underdone bread. The Keystone 2-Slice Touchscreen Toaster replaces that guesswork. Its digital interface gives you consistent results every single morning, taking the randomness out of breakfast. The intuitive touchscreen is the main highlight. You just tap to select one of 6 browning levels, and it remembers your setting for next time. The extra-wide slots also easily fit thick bagels or artisan bread without you having to squish them in. This really streamlines your morning. Instead of hovering over the toaster, you can set it and know your bagel will come out perfectly toasted on both sides. Sakura Ice Cream Maker. Craving ice cream but diet restrictions limit you? The Sakura Ice Cream Maker lets you enjoy delicious, custom treats at home. The clear lid allows you to watch the magic happen. No pre-freezing needed. Its efficient design makes fresh ice cream simple. You control the ingredients, perfect for Optavia or vegan diets. Make gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt tailored to your health needs. Imagine enjoying guilt-free, personalized desserts whenever you want. Making your own frozen treats exactly how you want them saves you time and lets you satisfy cravings without compromising your dietary lifestyle. A simple solution for custom ice cream. Mini Donuts Maker. Craving a sweet treat but dreading the messy baking process? The Star Blue Mini Donuts Maker could be your answer. It's a 3-in-1 dessert station. You get plates for mini donuts, pies, and even taiyaki, those cute fish waffles. The non-stick surface means easy cleanup, just a quick wipe. Imagine making warm donuts with the kids on a Saturday morning. No huge mess, no complicated steps. Think of the fun of experimenting with pie fillings or creating authentic taiyaki. This little machine brings variety and deliciousness without the hassle. Quick, easy, and lets you bake fresh, fun desserts right at home. Gorilla Grip Stainless Steel Can Opener. Ever struggle opening cans? You wrestle with it, the lid's jagged, it's just a pain. Well, the Gorilla Grip Can Opener solves that. Its stainless steel blade is super strong, easily puncturing any can. You get effortless opening every single time, no more struggling. The soft touch, non-slip handle means a comfortable grip. Even when your hands are wet, you'll feel in total control. Plus, the smooth cutting action leaves no sharp edges. No more worrying about cuts. It even has a built-in bottle opener. Now you can breeze through meal prep. Safe, easy, and built to last. Finally, a can opener that makes life easier. JVAR Stainless Steel Onion Holder and Slicer. Ever struggle slicing onions? Tears, uneven cuts, it's a mess. The JVAR Stainless Steel Onion Holder Slicer solves that. It grips the onions securely, so you get even slices every time, much safer than using your bare hands. The stainless steel forks hold the onions steady, stopping it from slipping. Plus, you can use it for tomatoes, even lemons, and some meats. No more struggling to keep a grip. Imagine perfectly sliced onions in seconds, no more uneven pieces in your salad. This isn't just an onion holder, it's a kitchen helper that gives you consistent results and saves you so much frustration. Spring Chef Swivel Vegetable Peeler Black. Struggling with peeling? Ever feel like you're wasting half the veggie? The Spring Chef Peeler solves that. Its dual stainless steel blades stay ultra sharp, gliding along fruits and vegetables easily. You'll save time and precious produce. It takes off only the right amount. No more clogged peelers. It's dishwasher safe too. The soft, non-slip handle makes peeling enjoyable, even if you have arthritis. It's easy to use. Plus, the built-in blemish remover makes food prep simpler. Imagine perfectly peeled potatoes in minutes, less waste, and effortless peeling every time. That's the Spring Chef